What'd you do? Huh? I came in there and you had a broom. What did you do? Huh? Oh, it's living room. Oh! Looks like you tried to clean it up. What were you doing? Did you try to feed the dogs? Well, are you supposed to do that? Is that why you were in here making all that noise? I saw you putting that broom in there. What's Daddy gonna say? Hmm? What's Grandma gonna say? She's gonna spank you, huh? You better clean it up. Go on, go clean it up. Where's the box that where's the thing it goes in? Where's the container? That's the lid. Where's the container? I just cleaned this living room yesterday. It's a mess. You better pick all that up and put it in that box, okay?